All right, so to force restart a Google Pixel phone, this is super simple. What you're going to do is locate the power button or the side button on the side of your phone, and you're simply going to press and hold that down for a full 30 seconds. If you see the Gemini digital assistant or something like that trigger, just ignore that and continue to hold down the button. Eventually, you would see your screen drop to black, and you might feel a little haptic feedback as well. It might take longer than you'd think, but just hold down the buttons and the phone will eventually restart. Here we go, my screen went black, I'll let go now, and there's the Google logo, and the phone is restarting. Now, in some rare cases, if this doesn't work, if you've been holding the power button for more than 45 seconds and nothing's still happening, you might need to do a hardware override. This basically simulates pulling the battery out of the phone and putting it back in, just like you would do on an old school phone. And the way you do this is very similar, but this time you're going to use the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and again, ignore everything that's happening on the screen. So I'll hold down those two, and we're going to hold them down for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then, once you see the screen cut to black, or you see the Google logo flash on the screen, that's when you can let go, and the phone is going to restart. So that is how you force restart a Google Pixel phone. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.